Hello and welcome to my channel again. In this video, I'll be introducing you to the WordPress admin dashboard, where you will be spending much of your time making updates and managing your websites. Okay. So as you can see, this is our WordPress admin dashboard, and this is the central hub for managing your websites. It provides you with an overview of your website activities as well as quick access to all the important features and tools you will need to run your website effectively. So let's dive into the various sections of the dashboard. Okay, so from the dashboard over here, this is where you see a quick overview of your website, the number of posts that you have made, the number of comments that have gone on, then the post that received a comment, and then quick drafts. The draft, you can add a quick draft to your admin dashboard over here, and then you can see at a glance. So we have one post, one comment, one page. We currently have one page, and then one post and one comment over here. Okay, so this is just a quick overview of what is going on your WordPress admin dashboard or on your website. Okay, so the next one is you see posts and pages. So this is where you can add a post to your website, or you can categorize them, and then you can also add a page to your website. So the media page is where you'll be adding your medias, like your videos, your music, your pictures, and everything. This is where you add a media to. So if you want to add a media, you click on the add new media, and then this is where you'll be able to upload your files. Okay, and then the appearance is where you see the look and feel of your website. This is where you manage the look and feel of your website to update it, and then you also add a theme to it, to your website. And then we also have a plugin. This is where you'll be adding the plugins, and so the themes, the appearance is where you add the themes and widgets to your website, right? So the plugins this is where you add the plugins, and then you update your plugins, you delete your plugins, you add new plugins to your website. Okay, and then we also have tools, and then the users, where if you are not working on your website alone, or you want to add people to your website, or if your website is a website that people will subscribe to your channel, or people will subscribe to your pages to read more articles, if they sign up to your website, or let's say you are building an e-commerce website, right? So if customers go on your website and they purchase an item and they sign up, this is where you are going to see the users over here. Okay, and then the tools are tools that are used to import other stuff from used to import things from other websites, and then you can also export your pages, your posts, and everything. All right, and then you can also see your site health over here, if your site is in a good health, and other stuff like that, right? And then you can also edit your theme, and then edit your plugin over here. Okay, and then the settings. This is where you are going to do the settings for your website. For example, if I click on the general, so you see the site title over here, the tagline, the WordPress address, the site address, and then your date format over here, membership, and blah 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 over here, and then the writing and code. Okay, so that is just a few of the main components for the WordPress dashboard. Okay, so in the future videos, we will dive into each of these sections, okay, and learn how to use them to manage your site effectively. Right, so that is all for today. I hope you found this introduction to the WordPress admin dashboard helpful. Okay, if you have any question or would like to see more tutorials like this, keep watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so that it will help me to bring out more content for you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.